Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope that you are enjoying the conference. My name is Ladislav Navratil, and today I would like to introduce you my new project, Unlim. Unlim is the best place where developers, designers, and product managers can collaborate together. It gives you instant preview of your project for all your team. Normally when you want to show your progress on your project to someone, you have to build it. You have to deploy it somewhere, and you have to notify the user that you have new version. Usually, you're trying to automatize this kind of things, but still you have to maintain it. And, you don't need to do it with Unlim. It does that all automatically, right above your Git, without any pre-build and any deployments. So how does it work? You can take your existing project and just drag and drop it to the Unlim. It works out of the box without any special setup. Unlim analyzes your project, understands what it needs, what kind of development tools, what kind of dependencies, and install it for you on the background. Also, it's adding the Unlim tooling. Don't worry, it doesn't touch your code too much, and it lays next to it and just extends it. So, after you and all the users which you invited, you receiving the live preview of your application. And because it lays above your Git, you can even travel back in time and be notified when there is something new to check. It also understands your media marks in your project and showing you that your application behaves differently on different devices, so you can interactively check out how does it look, if it's all right. It's also bringing the presentation mode. So if you want to show your project to someone else, you can do it in this presentation mode to bring bigger impact to it. But most of all, it's a collaborating tool. So the designers and product managers can review it and write the comments, like what should be changed. And it can even create the issues in the GitHub for you. And it's also tracking the issue. So if someone comments it or just making the work done, you are getting notification that this is done and you should review it again if it's all right. It's doing all automatic. And it's not ending here. There is more. There are some features which I would like to show you, which will be public a little bit later after the launch. One of them, you can select any component in your project, because Unlim recognizes the components and show you the name, description, its preview. It's showing you all the APIs, what you can do with the component, all the internal states of the component, and where the component in your application is used. It's also creating component library for you, so you can see all components what you're using in your product. The same thing it's doing with the styles. It's creating automatic style guidelines for you. So the designer can come and check if all the styles are correct. And don't forget, this is above live project. It's not in the tools like Zeppelin and so on, where you're working above the graphic. And right now, it will get even more crazy. Because of the Unlim tooling, you can even change the styles and see how it will happen in the real life in the application overview. So you can change things like styles, text, and other things, and see immediately. So this orange color, it's out. So this is Unlim. Let me a little bit summarize it and wrap it up. Unlim gives you instant preview of your application within your team. It works out of the box with your existing project. It creates component library and style guides in one place. And last but not least, it lets you collaborate together to create the best product possible. So please visit unlim.io. We're launching soon, so subscribe to keep updated. And let us know. It will be amazing if we'll be the first people who will try it and let us make this product even better. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ladya. Don't leave yet, because we do have questions for you. So,
Perfect.
what technology stacks are supported by Unlim?
Great question. We're starting with React, but another technologies will come after that. We're for sure counting with Vue.js and most probably with Angular. We're trying to focus also for mobile applications, but it will be a little bit harder, but I think that one will succeed.
Is it running on Chrome or something else?
No, it's a native application. Basically built on the Electron, but it's a native application in your computer.
How does it work with secrets and other required API credentials?
I don't know which API credentials. Basically, the application have it inside. When you have it built in, the configuration for a project in the Git is there. If you have something of pre-building, we don't support it yet. Good point, maybe.
Can Unlim connect with online repos and update automatically when repo is updated?
Yes, this is the main thing what it does.
That was a question, is it free?
We don't know yet. This will be a little bit what we have to figure out. It will for sure be in some free version, but we will search for the model, basically business model behind it. Most probably in some collaborative way of for the bigger teams, but it will come free on the beginning for sure, and it will stay free for some limited usage.
Last question, what about REST API?
Which one is it?
What about REST API is the last one? It's on the top of the page.
REST APIs. Yep, it works with them. Like it's how you program it, right? It can work with GraphQL, REST, whatever. It's not something together with it, I would say.
All right, thank you so much, Ladya. I believe you're going to speak tomorrow again, correct?
Friday.
So if you have more questions, obviously he's going to be hanging out around, and also you can catch him on Friday. Thank you so much. That was Ladya Navratil. Thank you so much.
Thank you.